This is Excel 2021 MOS Chapter 2 project. Starting at number 3, as usual. On the by region worksheet, make the following formatting modifications. Merge and center the title across cells A1 through E1. Apply the title style to the merged cells. Use Format Painter to copy the formatting from cell A3 to A4 to A7. Okay, 3D. Apply the accounting number format to B3 to E8. F or E, decrease the decimal so the values are whole numbers. Apply a thick top blue border to cells B2 to E2. And G, change the horizontal alignment of cells B2 to E2 to center. On the by region worksheet, complete the total row. Use autofill to fill the formula from cell B8 to C8 to E8. Apply the total cell style. On the by region worksheet, add column spark lines in F3 to F7. Number 6. On the by region worksheet, create named ranges for each of the columns in cell B2 to E7. On the by region worksheet, this is 6B, create a new named range from cell B8. Name the range Region 1 Total. Change the name of Table 1 on the Sales Data worksheet to Sales Data Table 1. to sales data table. On the sales data worksheet, modify the following format. Apply cell wrapping to F2 to G2. Apply the currency number formatting to cells G3 through H37. Copy cells A2 through H2 from the sales data worksheet the column headings and paste the text values but not the formatting to A2 to H2 on sales analysis. On the sales, and this is number 9, on the sales analysis worksheet, make the following formatting changes. Remove the conditional formatting from cells F3 through F38. Apply conditional formatting to cells G3 to G38. To highlight the cells greater than 50. Use the green fill with dark green text for naming options. Apply data bar conditioning formatting to cells H3 to H38. Use the solid fill blue data bar style. Number 10, set up the sales template worksheet. On the sales template worksheet, insert a new cell at C1. Shifting cells to the right. In cell C1, type FEB. Use autofill to extend the month series from B1 to D1 through M1. Select cell B1 through M1. Angle the cell alignment counterclockwise to 45 degrees. Delete cell A2. moving the existing cells up. Clear the formatting from cells A2 to A5. Insert 4 new rows below row 2. Copy cells B2 to E2 from the bioregion worksheet. Paste the copied cells into the sales template worksheet. You will need to transpose the text so the headings are pasted vertically. Instead of horizontally. Clear the formatting from the pasted cells. Save and close the file.